Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your teacher Miss Ulfat. Today topic is plant tissues. As you know that tissues are the group of cells performing the same jobs. But these cells can be same or different. If in a tissue same type of cells are present, this tissue is named as simple tissue. And if in a tissue different type of cells are present, this type of tissue is named as complex or compound tissues. Simple tissues or compound tissues, they are present in plants. Now let's start with the simple tissues. Meristematic tissues are the first type of simple tissues. These tissues are having cells with the thin cell walls, and the most important character of these tissues is that they have the ability to divide. They are consisting of newly formed cells, and the cell size is very small. Their cell walls are very thin. They have no secondary cell walls, and therefore the size of the nucleus is very large. Most of the time they have no vacuoles, and if the vacuole is present, the vacuole is very small. Meristematic tissues, the main function of meristematic tissue is growth, because they have the ability to divide. These are the types of meristematic tissues. In the plant body, there are three types of meristems or meristematic tissues: apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissues, and intercalary meristematic tissues. Okay, see, first of all, apical meristematic tissues. As the name indicate, this meristem is present on the tips of roots and shoots. And as they are the meristematic tissues, they divide rapidly. And when they divide, they increase the length of the plant, mean the length of the root, the length of the shoot, the length of the leaves, they are increased. And this increase in the length of root, stem or leaves is called primary growth. Mean we can say that apical meristem is involved in the primary growth of the plant. Primary growth means increase in the length of root, stem and leaves. The second type of meristems is lateral meristem. Lateral meristem is present at the lateral sides of the roots and the shoot, as you see in the diagram also, that around the stem this is present. The core cambium and the vascular cambium that are labeled in this diagram, these are the two types of lateral meristem: core cambium and vascular cambium. When lateral meristem grows, it increases the thickness of the plant, and the increase in the thickness of the plant is called secondary growth. You must have observed that in newly grown plants or the small plants, the thickness of the stem is not so much, but as the plant grows, its stem thickness is increased. This thickness is because of the growth of lateral meristem, and this thickness, increase in the thickness, is called secondary growth. In this diagram you can also see lateral meristem. Core cambium and vascular cambium are the two types of lateral meristem. Now see its types. First is vascular cambium. Vascular cambium, in the diagram you can see that vascular cambium is shown by a green or yellowish line, and the red portion is phloem and the lower brown portion is xylem. As this cambium or meristem, cambium means meristem, so phloem and xylem, in between these two tissues there is a layer of cambium is present, that is called vascular cambium. Vascular cambium is present between xylem and phloem. The other type of cambium or lateral meristem is core cambium. Core means the outer layer of the stem. So as it is present near to the outer layer of the stem, it is named as core cambium. In this diagram you can see that the outer layer of the stem is shown by a light blue color or sky blue, and inside this sky blue color there is a blue line. This blue line shows the core cambium. Core cambium located at the outer lateral side of plant. Okay, in this diagram an annual ring and wood is shown. Actually the cambium or the lateral meristem make one ring in 1 year. When 1 year is completed, cambium also completed its one ring. In this way that is the reason it is called annual ring, and through this annual ring we can calculate the age of a plant. Okay, we had discussed apical meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristem present on the shoots and roots, and the lateral meristem is present on the lateral side of the plants. And lateral meristem has two types, core cambium and vascular cambium. Now the third type of meristem, that is named as intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem is mostly present in the grasses, and this meristem is present in the form of patches between the mature tissues. In this diagram you can see two colors. The light yellow colors, these are the mature cells, and the orange color shows meristems. So you can see that intercalary meristem is present between the mature cells, and these intercalary meristems help in the regeneration of plants, those parts that are removed by herbivores. This is all about the meristems, and in part 2 I will explain you permanent tissues. Thank you.